Today I am doing a walk that features in my book The Walker's Guide to the Castles of Britain. It starts in Kidwelly, down at Kidwelly Quay. As you can see at the moment the tide is out. We'll see where it is when we get back here in a few hours' time. Coming to the end of my walk, quite possibly with a purple tongue from eating so many blackberries. And as you can see behind me, the tide is still out. This area is completely covered with water at high tide, and it's a totally different sort of place then. So it's worth coming at both parts of the tide to experience the bay in a different way.